Hello everybody, Santa Claus here in Batangas. So I skipped a day, didn't do a video yesterday. Just wasn't anything to tell you. Not much to tell you today either. Kind of boring stuff going on. Grace and Mommy, they're at the tutors. And then they're going out for some loamy. So I'm here by myself. I was maybe scheduling to go on a little trip with Genesis and Mark. Genesis from Genesis Garage. And Mark does all the LED lights and stuff. Because I guess apparently my LEDs came in from the place he ordered them from. So I'm just kind of waiting for them to let me know if we're going or not. But they're kind of late as it is. Guess we were supposed to go at 10 o'clock, or they said maybe 10 o'clock, and it's now 11. So I don't know if we're going to do it today or not. We'll just have to sit back and wait. But that's about it, really. Nothing else going on. It's a pretty nice day. Really, really nice breeze. The wind is pretty strong. No rain. It did rain last night, but it's pretty clear right now. The skies aren't really clear, but the sun's in and out. It's probably going to rain again. Anyway, I watched Westpac Weather, and he said there's like 4 different tropical systems out there, and it's a big mess. And he said it's going to be windy and rain and all that kind of stuff for the next few days. Maybe even the weekend's going to be even worse. Who knows? Just take it one day at a time, see what happens. Anyway, I'm not planning on much of anything else. Just see if we go out for the lights, the LEDs. As you can see, the wind's so strong it's blowing the screen door open over there. It's not a ghost. It's just the door wind blowing it open. So that's about it. No news on Ta'al again. Still the same. Still level 3. No news on anything else. We haven't heard anything about the jabs. Just kind of waiting to hear on that. I guess they're supposed to let Grace know when the J&J comes in again. But that's it, really. Just another lazy day. So if I have more for you, if we end up going out for the LEDs, I'll do a video. But other than that, that's going to do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody out there that's sticking with me. And hey, we'll see what happens next. God bless everyone. Santa Claus. Now living in the Philippines. Over and out.